Y'all, some things have changed.
She is.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So I just want to share with you guys my little quick updated wash day, hair routine, etc. since your girl has been active almost every day. But first things first, if you are new here,
First off, welcome.
Rain Gang, welcome back, sis, for another video. So Alterna sent me their Caviar Anti-Aging line, bond repair line. So I want to try their shampoo. As you know, with me being active, your girl has to shampoo. But y'all, the only thing is I am not shampooing my hair every 3 days anymore, y'all. Oh my gosh. When I tell you, it has definitely been a huge change. Just want to come in here and talk about today's sponsor really quickly. All right, so this is Rayna in the future. Okay, just quickly want to share with you guys the sponsor of this video, Differin.
Girl, you get a coin with that.
I like it. All right.
Now y'all know, well if you don't, I've worked with Differin throughout this entire year and I absolutely adore their products, okay? It has helped Camila tremendously with her acne. It's helped me with my little minor breakouts. And now that I'm working out, I was like, I have to share. Like, this is perfect timing. God just be working. Okay, anyway, let's get to it. So Differin has a new acne clearing body wash, okay?
Oh my God.
Me being more active daily, we work out about 5 to 6 times a week. I feel like I stay in sweat. I feel like it's just, I mean, it's worth it all in the end, but at the same time, I'm just, it's a lot, okay? But anyway, so if you don't know, Differin's Acne Clearing Body Wash has 2% salicylic acid, which helps to clear and prevent blemishes, all right? So we love that. So this is gonna kind of help soothe and be very gentle on your skin's microbiome, okay? Differin be coming through. I'm just keeping it all the way 100. To soothe any type of irritation, it also has blue tansy oil, which that was the first time I ever heard of that. But I thought that was quite amazing, especially when I looked it up, because you guys know I do our research, okay? It has shea butter, which is going to deeply nourish the skin, as well as soybean oil, which helps to strengthen the skin's barrier. One thing that I also love is the fact that this is not going to dry out your skin. It's very rich. It does have a nice creamy consistency. There's no fragrance, which I love because we, you know, gotta stay away from these fragrances and things, even though it's nice, but you know, fragrance free, which is going to help even further, you know, in my opinion, as far as like irritation goes. But it's clinically proven to protect from dryness for 24 hours because you can really feel like the moisture in the product. It dissolves dead skin cells. Dissolves dead skin cells. If you're not excited about that, I don't know what else you're gonna be excited about. Let the dead things go. You know, by doing that, you're gonna treat any underlying like causes of breakouts. So you want to be able to remove the dead skin cells and not be so harsh. So it also features AHA BHA complex of glycolic acid. I don't know why I can never really say that. To gently exfoliate skin. I have friends who have sensitive skin. My mom has sensitive skin. So I feel like it's great that it's for all skin types and it's good for daily use. So if you really struggle with like body acne for whatever reason, Differin may be your girl. But that's not all, folks. This is my favorite. It's the Acne Clearing Body Spray. The only reason why this is my favorite is because I love convenience, okay? So it's a leave-on spray. I love this because it also has witch hazel in it, so it does kind of like help to reduce like any oils and stuff like that. So it does not leave like a residue, which I like because obviously you're gonna be spraying this and then putting your clothes on, whether it be staying at home in your robe or actually going out. And of course, who wants residue on their nicely paid clothes paid for clothes? Nobody does. So it's a nice quick mist and it dries very, very fast. Again, has 2% salicylic acid, which we have already discussed previously, but just in case you forgot, it helps to clear acne and prevent any future breakouts. This is perfect for on the go, let me tell you. You can also lock it, like now it's locked, so it's not gonna spray, no spills, anything like that. It also has glycolic acid. That kind of just helps to like exfoliate gently. With doing that, it's gonna kind of help to erase those dark spots and dark spots you may have from acne. It's also 360 continuous spray. I'm just saying, don't act like you don't love a good 360 spray. So then it's oil-free, paraben-free, phthalate-free, dermatologist-tested, fragrance-free, all that jazz. So listen here. I'll leave everything on the description box and or on the screen so that you can find these products and put them to use immediately, aka immediately. Thank you, Differin, for sponsoring this video because you know.
Girl, you get a coin with that. I like it. All right.
Back to the hair. Y'all, when I tell you I had no idea how much I needed a shampoo brush in my life since being active, like, what? If I don't have it when I'm shampooing, I can actually tell the difference in my scalp. I feel like I'm able to extend my wash days because of this here simple little brush, okay? This is what everybody flocked to, including myself, years ago when it popped out, but it really is a necessity for me, and I love it, love it. Now we're moving on to the last step. Yes, you heard me correctly. The last step out of the 2 steps. And they give you this spoon, which I thought was cute, but girl, we ain't at dinner. So I went ahead and scooped it out. This is the Reconstructorizing Bond Repair Mask. This stuff is so good. Left my hair very hydrated. You can tell it's expensive. It's just a really good deep conditioner. Would I use it again? Absolutely. And so then I go ahead and put my hair up in a bun. Y'all, that is pretty much it. Like, that's it. So now we move on to the styling process. Now this is where my heart is hurt, okay? I am a wash and go girl. You guys know that. Like, come on, you know this. And man, but anyway, let me get to this. Curl Bomb Moisturizing Styling Gel is what I'm using. It's a very lightweight gel. You can find it at Target, I believe. And it does not work for me in terms of using it just for a wash and go, but when using it to like style my buns or braids, or it just to give my hair a shine and definition, works great for me if I don't want like a heavy gel. So back to the whole wash and go thing, y'all. Like, I cannot really rock a wash and go like I could have back in the day, and it's because I sweat so much and work out in the gym. So I feel like my hair and my scalp is like always wet, or like just not always super cleansed until the weekend. And so whatever wash and go I did for the weekend, it's gonna be done by my first day back in the gym on Monday. And so I've just been doing my hair in these 2 braids, or I am putting my hair in a bun, or I have a hat on.
Little shunty sideburn. Baby, 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 baby.
While I'm sad, my hair is still doing very well. I'm just missing my wash and go. So there's that. I have been wanting to update you guys on my wash day routine. Yes, I am literally leaving my hair just like this because, listen, I'll be in the gym in the morning, less than 24 hours. And I feel like this is just the easiest style for now. Even though not much has changed, the only thing that really has changed, you guys, is the fact that I don't wash my hair every 3 days anymore.
I'm sorry. I just.
And my scalp is scalping. She's definitely scalping. She is. Because I feel like, again, I'm always in freaking sweat. And so I just thought this would be a perfect time to talk about Differin and to bring body care into this wash day, because essentially I'm putting it on my shoulders, and that's not too far from the nape of my neck. So we all in the family. You know what I'm saying? Okay. Oh, also I want to share with you guys this like little off-brand, it's called Cover Gray. That I've been using on my little gray hairs, because I don't like gray hairs on myself, okay? That's just me being very candid with you. Oh, why y'all didn't tell me I got this? Just, okay, it's fine. It is what it is. And so I have my grays coming through again, and I don't always feel like dyeing my hair. I've been using this, and it stays until you wash your hair. Even with me sweating, it doesn't run or anything like that, so I love incorporating that. So it's been easy peasy. It's changed a little differently. The difference is that if you go back and watch my older videos, I'm washing my hair every 3 days. And the reason why I did that was because of my scalp. And the reason why I'm not doing that is just because of time. I'm in the gym. My days are different. While I still feel like I need to wash my hair every 3 days, it just doesn't work. I have not been able to wear, wash and go as much as I would like to. I typically will do my wash and goes on the weekend for my weekend festivities if I have any, meet. And so now I'm moving my wash days to like every 5 days or so. 3 from 5 is not a whole lot, but in my world, it means all of the difference. I'm not that chick that can go weeks upon weeks and not wash my hair. And so adding those extra 2 days without doing any type of refresh or scalp anything, it's rough. I do like to take this Grow Back little Camille Rose Grow Back Rejuvenation, Rejuva Drop. And so this helps a lot with keeping my scalp nice and soothed and not feeling like, not like my scalp is on fire or anything like that, but Just, you know, it keeps it nice, calm, and collected. You know what I'm trying to say. And I'm okay with these shrinking. I'm not going to prevent them from not shrinking. I really do not care. I don't care. So if they shrink more, they shrink more. It is what it is. I will probably wear them like this and then put a scarf on just to kind of keep them flat. I typically sweat the most back here in the middle of my head. And so with this being out like this, it just makes it so much easier. So yeah, y'all. I hope this video was helpful for you. I hope you laughed. I hope you were entertained. I want to thank our sponsor for the video, Differin. Thank you for being an amazing brand and for sponsoring this here video. So be sure to check down below in the description box on where you can find your Differin. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. And I will see you guys in my next one. Love you guys.